For those who want to learn using technical analysis, for those who want to learn how to draw your own support and resistance, how to use charting to help you win. Because I really believe that technical analysis is one of the best ways for you to be able to trade the markets with confidence. So if you want to know more how technical analysis works, check this video out. Hi everyone, this is Marvin Germo. If you're new to this channel, please subscribe and smash that bell so you get updated every time I create new content about the stock market. We're very close to 60,000. I'd super appreciate it that if you get so much content and so much value from the videos that I produce every day, I would appreciate the subscribe. I would appreciate that you guys like, share all of the videos that I create, and I hope that you use this channel so that you get to reach your goals of financial freedom. So for those of you guys who want to know more about technical analysis, who want to know more what goes on during our training sessions, we will give you a sneak peek of how we analyze the charts during our training sessions, because this is what I believe. The stock market is not as hard as what most people think it is. The stock market, also using charting, using technical analysis, is easy to understand. You just need to know the rudiments. You just need to know how to plot it, how to create a scenario where you have a buy, how to create a scenario where you have to sell, how not to rely on your emotions, because at the end of the day, you know what technical analysis does? It just removes the need for you to rely on your emotions. It just removes you from the need to rely on everyone else, because you can trade. If you are watching this and you are busy with your work, you're a doctor, you're a lawyer, you're an entrepreneur, you're an accountant, a lot of people who attend the sessions normally are busy with what they're doing. And the goal of technical analysis is not to make it hard for you, but the goal of technical analysis is for you to be able to find out somehow, some way that it can be actually easy, that you can trade and win. So the next round of our Stock Smarts Manila session will be December 7. The details of it, to similar sessions like this, are in the description. But if you can't attend our technical analysis session, though I don't have an online course yet about technical analysis, I have my first online course with Sean C called Make Money, Grow Money. The link is also down in the description. If you want to learn more about the basics of the stock market and entrepreneurship, it's in the link in the description for you to be able to join us. So I guess that's it. Enjoy the rest of the video. Draw resistance here. Yes. So it just started to break out from this resistance. Yes. Here. Can you see that? Yes. Here. This. This is a breakout. Yes. So if it breaks out from 197 US dollars, Facebook stock can go to the next resistance, which is around 206.07. So if you notice it also, if it does not hold this level, ito yung next year support niya. If this does not hold, you can expect Facebook can go down to 189.85. Ganun lang din. That's why you can trade US markets, because the way you analyze Philippine stocks is the same way as you analyze US markets as well. Starbucks. Yes, stocks. Tsaka sayang kasi if you watch the older videos, I would always say na panahon na para Pilipino kumita naman sa Pilipinas. Pero if you notice it, McDonald's, Starbucks, Nike, Disney have been making money off the Philippines for a very long time. So might as well also buy their stock or make money while they're making money off us as well. Sayang. Anyways, this is Starbucks. If you notice Starbucks, can you draw a resistance here? Yes? Here, this area. This is the resistance. Yes. Can you also draw a resistance here? Yes. Another one here. Then another one here as well. So I'm showing you different styles. And this one, I plotted everything straight in one go. Then I'll zoom in. There. So when I zoom in, if you go shorter also, can you draw another support line here? Yes. So now, this is what you can do. You can go. Normally, gagawin ko, I'll go to my Excel file. I'll check also if this range is good enough for me to trade. This trade is around 7.4%, so preferential. Ako, I make sure that if I quick trade, at least 8%. So, depende sa inyo what's good enough for you or not. But I try to make sure I get at least 8% for short trades. Anyways, what you can do is this. You put a signal, buy at 81, target price is 87. If 81 does not hold, possible retracement is it can go here. Or here for 78.92, then here. But you need to cut loss below 88.9, 81. For stock.
Ali? Hindi, pinalitan niya. Basta na. We did that. Chelsea. Okay. Chelsea Logistics. Very, very clear. What's happening? The stock is what? Breaking up, breaking down?
Break down.
Breaking down, yes? So the next thing you need to look at is this. Saan siya pupunta? Possible retracement for it is here. 5.65. But you already have an answer. Tomorrow, buy or avoid?
Void.
Why? No, Sunday. Close your market. Oh. Monday, buy or avoid? Avoid. The most efficient is for you to buy here. Yes? You can buy pag wala siya sa support, but make sure nag-bounce na siya and make sure the distance is small. Because again, this is your risk eh. The further you are from this, presents your risk as well. So, ganun. So, what you can do is you can put it in a way na buy at 5.65, target price is 6.5, measure it if this is sulit, if this is good enough, this is around 60%. So, ganun. Sa akin, pasok na yan. So, I'd buy it also. If it does not hold 5.65, it could drop here. So, condition na lang lagi. Buy from the bounce of 5.65, target price 6.5, 5.65 does not hold, cut because it might drop to 5. Ganun lang siya. Tapos, ito pa. Can I draw resistance here? Yes? Yes, no? Okay, this is what I'll do. Can I draw another resistance here? Yes? Okay. So, let's look at this. For example, I close this first. The stock goes here already. It's this level, yes? So, 5.63, 5.65, can you buy?
Yes.
So, I'll make my plan first. I will put buy at 5.65, sell. This one is 5.65, bounce from 5.65. Target price should be what? 6.5, yes? Cut below 5.65. Let's say, ano yung gusto nyo? Sige, 5.5? O sige, kung 5.5, kunyari yan, para it becomes practical for everyone. If you buy at 5.65 and you cut at 5.5, 5.5 is essentially yan, 3% cut. Okay lang? Yes? No? Okay lang? Alam niyo naman, kaligayahan yung kaligayahan ko na rin. So, 5.5. Now, this is what happens to the stock. The stock starts to, you bought na, di ba? It starts to push up, yes? What happens after this happens? What are you supposed to do? Go. No, start with letter A. Adjust. Galing. Baka may activate. Hindi. Adjust. What are you gonna do? What are you gonna do? Adjust. Meaning, this optimistic target price of 6.5 will go to 7.5. Yes? Yes, no? But wait, there's more. Why? Ito naman, 6.5. Para, if it goes down, that's your trigger to sell. Para walang emotions pa rin. You earn on the downside, you earn on the upside. Can you follow? Let's simulate further. Simulate this. This goes up. Boom! As it pushes up, what should you do? Activate to adjust. Yes? So you adjust to 8.15 or 8.16, whatever you want to do it. 8.16. And then this one becomes 7.5. Yes? Then, this is what's interesting. As it starts to do that, for example, it does this. What should you do here?
Sell.
Sell, hold. Sell. Did you make money?
Yes.
Yes. As what I mentioned earlier, the first breakout is the most important. This is around 32% or 31%. Ganun lang siya. But if you notice it, what you need to exercise aside from proper buying? Starts with P. Patience. Why? This will happen. Look, there will be dips eh. So as long as it doesn't hit your sell signal, you don't have to do anything. And that's the most important thing, that you don't panic. So ako, I'd rather not make as much, but I follow my plan, than make a lot, than deviate from my plan. Bakit? If you deviate from your plan, you'll earn more. Probably. Pero you cannot replicate it for the next trade. And it doesn't build confidence because the next time you try to do it, because thus you deviated from your plan, you will second guess your plan already. And it's hard to build a template off of that. The goal for you is, you have to find something that you can repeat over and over and over and over and over. Something like that. Next one. Ayala Corp. Now here's what's interesting. Ayala Corp is, guess, going up, going down?
Down.
Look at this. I'll remove all of this first para we build it from scratch. This is Ayala Corp, yes? Good company, bad company? What's happening to Ayala Corp? Breaking out, breaking down? Down, yes? Is this a resistance? Yes or no? Yes? So this resistance is also the new support here. Yes? So if the selling will continue, this is the retracement. You could possibly see Ayala Corp go down here. Yes? If it does not go back to this level, so here's the condition. If Ayala Corp goes back to this level, possible range that it could trade this or could trade this for the longer period. Yes? But if this continues, the sell down continues, it goes here. So Monday, buy or avoid? Avoid muna. Why? Because it's on the midst of a breakdown. Yes? So either you wait for it until it goes back to the next higher support or it goes back to the lower support and then you trade that range. So Monday, avoid. Next one. Meralco. Okay. Interesting. Why? What do you call this? Support. But what do you call this? Breakdown. Yes? Followed by a large barrage of selling. Yes? Question. Fundamentally, will Meralco close down anytime in the future? No. Yes? Jollibee, will it close down? Will, hindi lahat 24 hours na magsasara rin sila, no? Joke lang. But Meralco, as you all know, we'll talk more about this in fundamentals, but there are some companies that will never run out of sales. If they don't run out of sales, they will always have money to pay for all of their expenses. Meralco is one of them. So whenever you see things like this, it's just the volatility. It's just remember the dog and the man? It's just the dog moving like this, but the company is still well. One thing we need to know now is this. Where will this go? How low will this go? Yes? Let's see. But just from this, kunyari hindi mo to alam, na breakdown to, alam mo na candlestick, yung alam mo, nag-attend ka lang first 2 hours of the session kanina. Buy or avoid, just from candlesticks? Avoid. But now you have this layer that you know that the stock is in the midst of a breakdown. Agree? Let's continue. By the way, kung di mo alam yung technicals, you will perceive this, ay, Meralco, mura na yan. Yes? Iba yung binibili mo siya habang bumabagsak as compared to knowing that it has stopped falling. Mura na siya. Two different things. Anyways, let's see. What do you see here? Support resistance. Here. Is this a resistance? Yes? Now look at what's happening. Resistance, yes? Resistance, resistance. Large black candle, agree? I'll zoom in again so you see it better. What do you see? Black, 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 yes? Kaso, tumama siya saan? Support. Open, close. But the next day, went back up. Now, this is the difference between aggressive and conservative. Aggressive, if they own the stock, sell, hold. Sell, yes? Pero they will be forced to buy back again. Kasi bumalik eh. Agree? Conservative, sell, hold.
Hold.
Hold. Sell, hold.
Hold.
Hold pa rin. The aggressive person had to cut and buy back or cut and then transfer to another stock. But the conservative, hold lang siya. See the difference? Because sometimes when a stock hits a support also, minsan sumasagad din siya sa baba. Pero if it's really oversold already, a lot of people are buying, babalik din siya. Got it? So now, if you watch this, this could be a possible range for Meralco. If it stays above 320, Meralco may hover here first. Can you follow? The problem though is, if this does not hold, based on different parameters also, this is where it could possibly fall na. Support resistance, this one, this area. Resistance, yes? So possible it could drop here to below 300. And mind you, this is 2017. Meralco hasn't dropped 2017 in more than 2 years already. So why is that important? Similar to Jollibee. When Jollibee dropped a certain range, a certain support level, that was a strong support level also, when the strong support is broken, it becomes a strong resistance and the downward cascade also may continue. So watch out for that level. Next up. Max. Ano negosyo ng Max? Galing. May ibang classes kasi, sabi ko negosyo ng Max, may sumagot candy, sabi ko mali. Sabi ko totoo naman, but a different Max. Anyways. Can you draw support here? Yes or no? Can you draw resistance here? Dito, resistance? Yes, no? Yes? Yes? Resistance? Resistance on showing you different perspectives. This one I'm drawing everything in one go. So Max currently is at the
Breakdown.
it's at the support, yes, pero it's starting to what? Break down. Kasi please remember this, the support is not a specific price, it's a range. Yes? So kahit mali kayo ng flat, pero if you look at it as a range, you will know that somewhere here there's buying. Agree? So if on the next few days, it goes below this, yung breakdown niya, legit na talaga. Agree? If it stays above this, what do you do? Goes above it, what do you do? It becomes a buying signal. It becomes a buying signal, this becomes your target price. So, ganun lagi ginagawa ko. When I see stocks go down, I look at the ones that are battered the most. Then I look for it also if it's stabilized at a certain level, and I see it that's at a support, you can start buying there and look for the nearest resistance. This will be your target. So if you do that, if you trade that, this range is, it's predicated on it going back to this level. If it doesn't go back, it might slide down further. Sino pa nagko-confirm na support to? If you would like to find evidence that this is support, kahit short term lang, here, look. See that? Open, intraday, it started to go up or down? Down. As it hit this level, people started to buy, then it went higher. Yes? So that's what you can look at for Max. Next one. Properties. Is it okay to draw support here? Yes? Yes? How about the resistance somewhere here? Yes? Now, question. Monday. Buy or avoid? Buy, avoid. Avoid. Why? Because the downside versus the upside, sulit hindi. Sulit hindi. Hindi. Ito pa. For example, okay ba kayo nag-drawing ng katabi nyo? Dito ka mag-drawing. Can you draw resistance also here? Yes. So, ganun din. If you draw your resistance there, ganyan lang siya. Buy or avoid? Avoid pa rin. So, even though you will draw differently from your classmates, and katabi mo, white, kanina pa nakatingin sa'yo. Joke lang, di wala nakatingin. Joke lang. Whenever that happens, even if you draw it differently, as long as you stick to the right principles, and then you just cut when you need to cut, you'll be okay. You don't have to copy the drawing of everyone. You just have to stick to your drawing. Next one. IRC. IRC. Support resistance. Support? Yes? Support resistance. By the way, may nagtanong kanina, ito lang din gamit ko sa videos. I don't use a different charting for the videos. Iba lang yung color. This is just easier to see pag nag-represent. So IRC, breakout, breakdown. This is a support. Agree? How do you know it's a support? Area of buying. Yes? Area of buying. You plot these two lines together. Breakout, breakdown. So if it does not stay above this level, it could go up or go down. So if it does not go back, Monday, buy or avoid? Avoid. If it stays above this, what do you do? Buy. Set your target here. That's it. This is around 21%, more or less. Okay. Next up. FNI? Mining. Can you draw resistance here? Yes or no? Yes. Can you draw support line here? Yes. Then another one here. So Monday, buy or avoid? Avoid because it's close to the resistance. Can you put a shorter support here? Yes or no? Yes. So yung trick lang doon is malapit na siya sa support. Yes. Check na lang if it's sulit. 6.5% trade. I'll zoom in so you see it better. Yeah. So you have to wait for it to bounce here. Just have to check also kung sulit na sa inyo 6.5% na trade. You have to understand 6.5% trade less 1.44% commissions, broker, PSE fee, taxes, etc. Next one. That's it? Learning so far? Okay, exercises.
So I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope the video gave you insights on how you can actually win and trade in the markets, because at the end of the day, that's all I want. I want you guys to win. I want you guys to be able to reach your goals of financial freedom, and that's why I create as much content as possible, because at the end of the day, Filipinos deserve better. Filipinos deserve the chance to actually keep on winning, keep on trading, and they could, and that I hope this channel gives you somehow as much content as possible so that you get to win, you get to trade, and you get to analyze the markets with confidence. So that's it for now. For next year, just an announcement, I'm saying it as early as now, I'm planning to have Stock Smarts in London, Stock Smarts in Auckland, New Zealand, Stock Smarts Singapore, Manila, Cebu, Dubai, and Qatar. So I'm trying to trim down on the sessions and the cities, but those are the 7 cities that we're probably going to do it for next year. Comment below if you're in any of those cities so we can send you the details. Oh, Taiwan also this February. Comment below if you're not in any of those cities, and we'll try to make details also for you. We'll try to see if there's a lot of people at a certain place, at a certain city that wants to have Stock Smarts there. We're gonna try to do it as well. So I guess that's it for now. Marvin Germo, I hope this video helps you. Trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again soon, guys, and God bless you all.